Is it finally time to play your first song? Let's jump straight in.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
We're going to learn Smoke on the Water. And Smoke on the Water is the most famous guitar riff ever. And we're going to learn it in under 5 minutes. Please remember, this is a participation lesson. If you are not following along or practicing and open to trying new things, then this lesson might not be for you. And please only subscribe to the channel if you are here to learn and to complete the lessons. Here is some quick basics. So we want to make sure that the thumb is on the back of the neck and the fingers curl around like this. And I'm going to be using a guitar pick today, but it's also okay to pluck the strings using your... When we push the strings down, we're going to be using the first finger and we use the fingertip to push the string down. Bony part of the finger is the best part of the finger for playing guitar. So we want to make sure that the fingertip is on the string like this, and then we pinch between the thumb and finger like this, and we work at pinning the string to the fretboard. But what we want to do is to get a clear note, is to keep the pressure of the string or keep pushing to the fretboard. Another thing that can really help is if we tuck up behind this metal strip here, which is called the fret. It's easier to push the string down here and we do sound a little less buzzy. If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel and be the first notified when I post new videos just like this one. Now I know you're eager to learn, but that information can also save you time. In between the metal strips, that's what we call the frets, and that's where we're going to be pushing down. So I'm going to be saying the frets as we go along, and I'm just going to be using my index finger to play the notes. Okay, so here we go. We're going to play what we call an open string, so I'm not going to be pushing down here, and all the notes are going to be on the first string here. So I'm going to play open. And then I'm going to push down at the 3rd fret. And then I'm going to move to the 5th fret. And then I'm going to go back to the open string. Then the 3rd fret. Then all the way to the 6th fret. And then the 5th fret. And then back to the open. Then the 3rd. Then back. And that's it, guys. The most famous riff in the world. That's it. Okay, let's try it again, and again just follow along with me. And you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like. I recommend doing that too. Okay, I quickly want to jump in here and tell you about my transformational course, Guitar Star in 30 Days. So, if you love to play guitar for mum and dad and make them cry with happiness, it could be the best gift you give them. Do you want to make grandma smile on her birthday with your guitar playing? Or maybe you're a parent or grandparent and are playing for your children and you just want to have a great time. Or if you're helping your kids learn to play the guitar, or maybe you're a teacher and you're learning songs to play for your class. You could also play for mum's surprise party. Or again, if you're a teacher and you're looking for ideas for children's songs and you want to be encouraged along the way and you want to learn easily and quickly. So let's create some happy beginnings and come and join my program, and that's Guitar Star in 30 days. And you can sign up today using the link in the description right now. On your first attempt, you might not get it, and that is absolutely fine. Usually when we first start to learn guitar, we don't get things on our first attempts, and you've got to be okay with that. So on the second attempt, you might just get a little bit better. And then the third attempt, you get a little bit quicker and a little bit better, and over a period of time, it will just get better and faster, and before you know it, you'll be moving from fret to fret really easily. So have the persistence to keep going even if you don't get it on the first attempt. Okay, I really appreciate you for being here today and taking the time to learn Smoke on the Water with me. And this riff is super cool, and I promise everyone will recognize this, and you can play it for family and friends, and you're just going to think you're super cool that you can play this riff. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. I'm David Aldridge, and see you soon.